place that is poking out.
哇！
拿出来吧，你是要这个给他。
Hey guys, welcome to China Explore Tours channel. I'm Winnie with Leslie. We are now in Shenzhen and going to do a very chill cycling tour today. So I grabbed a Didi, which is basically like China's version of Uber. Super easy to use and honestly way cheaper. This 20 minutes ride to Shenzhen Bay cost me like 30 RMB. That's around $4. Not bad, right? We're gonna be fine if you don't use the seatbelt in Shenzhen. It's good weather today. It's a sunny day and not that hot in the afternoon.
Stay tuned for our tour. Okay. Here's Winnie crossing the walkway. And we are gonna get some bike over there in a little bit.
Wow,
Oh, there are a lot of them.
lots of bike. Normally I love this yellow one.
Oh, he likes the yellow one.
Yes,
The green one is not bad neither.
it's not bad, but this one I think is more stable.
怎么还给美团打广告呢？
No. You can choose your like. This is not advertisable. By the way, let me show you. You must find something special, right? This is t-shirt for our channel. China Explore Tour, like you can come here. Classic stops, hidden gems.
Our China
Our
adventures
China.
blend the best.
And also,
See, yay, love China, yay, 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 yay. All different kind of languages.
languages of China. Oh, it's so comfortable right now. You see. Every time I feel like walking in Shenzhen, like I'm living in the forest. I don't know whether you know about Chinese culture. It's five. 怎么说五行啊？
五行怎么说？
I don't know. Anyways, 五行 like 金木水火土 here. Maybe some of you know that. It's like I belong to the Wu. Feel very comfortable when I'm surrounded by all these trees and the nature, birds, anything like that.
五行我觉得应该是 five elements.
Or five elements.
Oh, I don't remember mine.
What's this?
OK， 这个主要是导航用是吧？
嗯。
这个质量稍微有点劣质。哦，
哎呀，它只要$1。
好吧，行，那不能嫌弃它。我怕了你颠颠颠，它会这样往下掉。
哦，
最好是往那边去一点，这样就不容易掉。
We are waiting for another winning right now.
拍我吗？早知道我走的美一点。
走的那个可以走，可以走。
早知道我早。
So we are Winnie Square.
Winnie number one, Winnie number two, and me.
整吧，找一辆自己喜欢的车。Wow, let's go.
OK 的。
And today's weather is perfect. Blue skies, not too hot, just the right kind of day for a bike ride. Shenzhen Bay, especially the West Coast area, it's one of the best spots to really feel the vibe of the city. Modern, chill, and right by the water. Wow! 对。There's a platform here. Our cycling tour in Shenzhen Bay to circle today. And now we are arriving at our first stop. It will take about 2.5 hours, I think. And during this route, we're gonna stop in a few places to have some break or sharing thoughts, taking some photos. Me and Leslie will do some kind of introduction of Shenzhen or the history or the world, anything to help you to explore more about China. And okay, we have a surprise today for Winnie. Yes, it's like she first time see this. What is this?
Oh, it's a gift for you.
Thank you. This is our bag. You can see our slogan. I think it's our travel altitude. It's off the map on the path. This is Chinese incense. You see?
The whole box.
Yes, the whole
Oh
box.
my god. 12.
This Chinese tea sample.
Different flavors.
Yes, each one have different flavors because we prepare 12.
But later on,
Later on.
lock this bag. 你们俩好搞笑的，轻轻的跑是怎么回事？太搞笑了
Let's go.
So some people will 赶海 here, and we don't know how to say 赶海. Basically, this means people being there trying to catch some seafood, some some crab, some I don't know.
So next stop we will go to that place, right?
Yeah, that's where we're going to. The place that is poking out.
What's crazy about Shenzhen is how fast everything changes. Just a few years ago, this place was mostly factories and fishing village. Now, it's one of the most innovative cities in the world.
Okay, this is the Lighthouse Bridge. Literally means bridge watching park, and you can see there's a bridge here. Does this place remind you of any other place in this world? Xiamen. And what about you? San Francisco. Oh yeah, that's that like huge bridge. I think bridge is one of the most amazing things in the world because it connects places to the sea.
Let's take photos together.
Oh yeah, let's get a photo.
Ah! Next part is the highlights.
哦，它就是叫那个八爪鱼。
Guess how much?
Like my mom, her catchphrase is guess how much. Guess how much.
Guess how much? China, it's not going to be
China.
expensive. 39块。
就跟我说3900我都是。
因为它这样子的话，你走路完全很贴脚，就非常舒服。
Made in China.
Made in China, always the best.
Best quality.
Honestly, when you ride through Shenzhen, it feels like you are speeding through time. You will pass ultra-modern buildings, but then if you turn a corner, you might find a traditional market, a hidden cafe, or a temple.
就从这边进，把这边进，然后那边出。这边进，那边出。
It's a place that's always evolving.
好。
So this is our next stop. We're gonna order the drone delivery first because it's gonna take 25 minutes to fly there.
Here is the outdoor intelligent gym. I think it's also something special about Shenzhen. So it's not just a park. They also provide a place for you to work out. Not just like simple workout. They actually have the machine for free. So very good. I think for expat it's a good thing because sometimes I think you draw a little bit extra attention at the gym as a foreigner. But like in the outdoor area, I think it's slightly better. Now we can try it out. It can first help you test.
Oh, this is my favorite one because you can know how much weight you get.
And how tall you are.
It's totally free. You just need to press here. You're gonna try, Winnie?
Yes, you can test it, and then after you test it, you have a QR code that you can get a report.
Yes, like I'm going to put my age here.
双脚站立。Okay, you need to stand. 身高体重。正在做。已完成。起成分 ，OK。
测量过程中，
How to say
双
this?
手紧握伸开发现
My
握把。
elements.
开始测试静态心率，请将双手大拇指轻轻放于回测心率检测区域内。测量过程中，双手大拇指显示移动。 开始测试握力，
Oh, this is
请将最大
Okay, you need to hold it as hard as you can. Okay.
等等指数测试结果为身高是6、10、3。
哎呦，长高了1厘米。
Because last time when I wear these hats, I only have 1.59 meter. So today I just put it away. This is very interesting.
戴了好久
You，can
而
see
且
your
它这个只
reports,
是
your height, your body age. I'm so happy to see my body age only 21. And there is a competition bicycle. Yes, you see, there is 2 bicycles here. Then you can do a PK.
在现场竞赛，我要你竞赛，这么难为妈呀！好，我已经有点出汗了，赶紧停止。 因为它有训练，然后有竞赛，我就在买。
Now is the most exciting part to see what is this. This is like a rubbish bin. Meituan's drone delivery station here. So we have already placed a delivery of what? A milk. Yes, we are already ordered milk tea, 2 milk tea.
Yeah.
We're gonna stay here and wait for a few minutes. Then we will see the drone deliver our foods from the sky. This is the first time.
对，这个反正我看视频，我觉得蛮酷的。
So we're gonna scan it from the WeChat. If you wanna see more WeChat instructions, just click our channel. You will see 2 instructions by me. So just scan the QR code and you can pick
Which store you want,
and order it, pay it, choose the station.
and then you just wait for it to arrive.
So it needs the last 4 numbers of your phone numbers. I don't know. This is the first time.
So you're just guessing, and you can see here it says the package recycling place. So once it arrives, you get your stuff out and then you put the box back, I think. And even say it's not for rubbish. So
This whole one is
yes.
look like a rubbish bin.
yeah, the whole thing looks like a
Or
huge
like
trash
something,
can.
I don't know, the electricity station.
Oh yeah, it does look like
yeah,
one.
something like that.
Yeah, it looks cool. So it does tell you the status.
It's coming. It's coming.
So get this. Here in Shenzhen, you can actually get your food delivered by drone. Like you order milk tea, just like me, and a few minutes later it flies to you. No delivery guy, no traffic, just a little robot in the sky bringing snakes. It's honestly kind of adorable and very, very Shenzhen.
这手机准备的有点过早，就是没必要了。应该很快。对，
800 meters.
看谁第一个能找到。387米。在那里，在下面。
Wow. You see, everyone is watching it.
You can even watch the drone take off and land. It's like Uber Eats meets sci-fi.
Oh, so we enter there. I know. Okay. I heard the voices here.
他得等那个机器走，好像。机器正在走。前面有机器。拜拜。Okay, saying goodbye to our drone. Thanks our delivery guy. Okay.
This is a big one, such a
对
so
592。哦，传送中哦。Excited. 孩子们怎么回事？
what happened?
传送带怎么传那么久？哦，大约15秒哦，有意思可以到。
远离柜门。
哦，远了柜门哦，拿出来吧。好，取出之后你要把这个盒子整理一下，你放在这儿，放在这儿，放在这儿整理。
Oh, you see? There's our label, and it's wow, it's 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer. No,
Oh, no,
1
1
kilogram.
kilogram.
哦，
哇，
我们的霸王茶鸡，然后这个要给它整理好放进去。Okay, we have to, be really.
We need to wrap this one.
Yes.
And then put it.
We have
into
to unfold it and then put it back to the box,
向上。
so it can be used again.
Oh, it's
Oh,
like
that's so
Oh
good.
my god, it's so
非常环保。
Yes.
Okay, let's put it
Put it
back.
back.
Woo! See, it says it's not for trash, so let's not do that. Okay, now we have our drink.
Yes.
Yay! Okay, we got a lot of attention. So yeah, this is our drink. Okay, time for drink. 好，那边可以，那边有点桌子，我们在那坐一下吧。Okay, the good package, good 打包包装。怎么说？哎，我们一起搞一个这种。可以。What's this? Everybody, if you can read this. OK， 这样看着我的脖还是没脖子一样，有点奇怪。
Yes. You can go to our website. There are lots of travel guides, including the itineraries, different kind of blogs.
No matter if you want some classic itinerary or some theme trip, we have all of those covered. Or just send us a message. 好了吧？
Oh yeah. We have a small break here and we are going to the circle. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
You know, lots of people think of Shenzhen as just this tech city, but it's actually way more than that. It's one of the biggest cities in China, and it's kind of like the country's innovation lab. Stuff that shows up here, like drones, robots, even delivery tech, often ends up shaping the rest of China. So, biking through here, you are literally riding through the future.
So here is the final stop for our cycle tour. This is Beacon Memorial Lighthouse. So why we choose this place? Because it represents happiness, openness, and moving forward. And I think this is the spirit of Shenzhen, of this city. So before we take a final photos, you can see there it has a great view for us to take a group photo together here. So we're gonna end here. Remember to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy the, 20 minutes or what, because I haven't edited. So see you next time. It's from China Explore Tour. Bye.